Okay, I've checked out of the hotel. It's a very nice hotel, reasonably priced. A little far from downtown Amsterdam, but not bad. I'm taking the tram now, and for those who, this here looks like I'm leaving from, I can't even pronounce it. And then we've got, looks like number 5 tram is coming, and if you're ever you're taking the tram, or what, CS stands for Central Station. So that's how we know we're going in the right direction. Oh yes, and I can sort of see the train way down there, so it should be here shortly. Alright, we're just driving, we're just taking the tram through, almost at the train station, so I film a little bit here. Let's see if we can get ready to move on.
Jij was natuurlijk niet in Nederland geweest, maar er was een taxichauffeur doodgeslagen.
Nee.
Of die had iemand. Ja? Waarom dat zou? Ja, weet ik niet, omdat ze...
Stel op de prijs of zo.
Ja, even op de grond. Hou jij even op de grond? Somma? Ja, bijna wel, ja. Het is nog niet in Nederland. Oh, dat is wel een dan gedaan.
Dat is kwijtgemaakt.
Ja, en ik weet wat ze doen. Ik ben even oud eigenlijk, maar op een gegeven moment was het zo. Ja, dat is een goede wedstrijd. Een beetje vreemd verhaal. Serieus?
Hilversumgracht.
Dat hem ook zo verhaal dat ze verschillende invallen dat hij zichzelf gedaan. Dat het dan over bejaarden. Ja, dat is nu al, maar wel echt mee bezig om mensen te tonen. Dat is deze heel erg.
Okay, so here we are in Amsterdam Central, coming up to the train station. Just film a little bit here. Lots of deck. Yeah. I'm at the Central Station, just having no smoke before I go in and check things out and relax. My train. And boy, once again my timing's worked out really well. It's coming down, the rain's coming down pretty hard. I'd have been drenched earlier walking to the tram and whatnot, but all is good. Okay, well we made it here to the Central, and now we're going off to Hilversum. Just made the train in time, so we'll rock and roll, and we're on our connections. Uh-oh, he's blowing the whistle. I gotta get. Wait, no, what's the name of this place?
Stuyf.
What?
Stuyf.
Stuyf.
Yeah.
Oh man, I'm gonna butcher it. I won't even say it. But
It's on the window.
oh, this right here? No, what's that say?
That says close the door.
Okay. All right, man. This is good.
Outside on the windows, there's the name of the...
Oh, all right. Okay, so I'll pause here. Now I can get back to my train. Great little place, great people. Definitely swing by, man, if you are in Hilversum waiting for a train, at least in my case, to Berlin. Bye. Okay, I was getting just a little worried, figuring, it's getting close. The train from Hilversum to Berlin, I gotta have to be in one of these boxcars? Holy crap. But no, I think we still got a little time, so not dumped in here yet. So yeah, so I'm on here at the Hilversum Central train station, waiting for my train. That's some really good guys, although we only just started talking right when I was leaving at that bar, the one I just filmed earlier. But yeah, I would definitely recommend everyone, if you're in town, swing on by. They're a good group of guys once they know you're real, I guess, or whatever. Bye. Here we are, still waiting for the train. We just got some people coming off number 3, which I don't think is our train. And I'm just doing a little more filming. And here's a guy who's got his bike. A lot of people, yeah, with their bikes come on and bring bikes on the train, and then I guess just bike wherever they got to go. Okay, it looks like the train's coming in. Another interesting story. There was just a train before this one, and I'm getting directions that we have to move up to the front. And I'm thinking that early train is the one that we have to get on. And then I'm walking up to the front, the doors close, and I'm going, oh my God, I've just missed my train. So I go rushing back to the conductor, asking what to do, and he goes, no, it's not this train, it's the next one. It's like, holy crap. So, I mean, somebody just stepped in and intervened and protected me once again from, because that train, if I'd gotten on that first train somehow, oh my gosh, I would have been going to Italy. Well, anyway, now I better get on this one before it leaves. Alright, so we're on the train to Berlin. I just missed the Greek Amsterdam driving area, but maybe I'll catch a few here. Now, looks like that almost did the drop. Sure what town we're in, but it is bleak, rainy, not great, but I know I did got my quick smoke, so that was a good thing. Now I almost got my leg caught, but hopefully it all worked out and I'm back on the train. I haven't lost anything yet. It's a lovely countryside, though. Just missed some farm, cattle and whatnot. Now we're in all these trees, wow. Over there, some more. And on this side, pulling over on that side. We've also got a horse group behind us. Some Brits, I believe. I may have, and they just finished a little bit ago. A rousing position of one of their songs. So I don't know, for video purposes, I may have to entice them to sing one more time. Yeah, so I'm actually in the first class compartment from the Hilversum, Holland that was my room I just passed, but I've got a couple here that I don't want to interfere with them. And anyway, yeah, this is very nice accommodations. I think that we have internet access, but I'm using my mobile, so it's all good. And now I'm going to come up to these Brits who are having all sorts of fun. And then I have a younger one, 15.
Son.
No, 2 daughters. Yes, I was surrounded by women. It must be.
Are they waiting for your films or not?
Huh? Oh yeah, absolutely. No, they all are. No, I have because of everything going on in my life right now, which is really bizarre.
This is German.
Okay, all right. Yeah. So no, I got like 100+ people following me. I mean, I had to go ahead and create a whole travel journal. I decided to use Facebook because it was like. It was going to be too difficult to send postcards and emails and everything else.
That's great.
So direction here, okay. So yeah, we got. We're just taking a quick smoke break. Osnabrück.
You look there. There's woods. Going to the woods.
Yeah. Well, that's very nice. Actually, legit. I'll zoom in on that. That's what we're going through, and coming back, filming back up there. This is where we've come from. And my good buddy. And what's your name again? Marius. Marius has been incredible because he's the only smoker in the group. And so...
Plugs out.
I have no idea what you just said, but it sounds okay.
Plugs out.
Oh, really?
Have some fun.
Yeah. Well, no. The other night I watched them change trains. But we're coming up close to Berlin, I think, and we got another set of windmills here. But I just filmed it quickly as I'm trying to dry out. Here's the sleeping car. This is the food car. And our wonderful person here who's serving us all the food and whatever else we need.